everyone. My name is Caitlin Layer-Gaskell, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker and one of the counselors in the Maryville University Counseling Center. We know that the response to the COVID-19 pandemic has been difficult to adjust to for so many reasons. This video is going to focus on the particular new challenges in time management and motivation that have come along with the shift to online learning. It's normal and common to be struggling with these issues given the circumstances of the past few weeks. Most of us have had to change our whole lives and figure out how to adjust to learning in physical isolation from other people. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 basic tips for feeling more focused, motivated, and balanced while learning from home. My first tip is create new structure and routine for yourself. I've been seeing a lot of people promoting this concept, and that's for a good reason. The external structures that you previously relied on to help you manage your time and also to help you feel secure and calm have most likely been upended. You don't have to get yourself out the door for class on time anymore. You can't go study with your study group or barricade yourself in the lab or the studio or the library. And without these external structures, a lot of people find themselves feeling, like they don't know how to effectively use their time or focus. Some people are also finding themselves feeling unhappy, anxious, and unmotivated without the calming consistency and life rhythm that they were used to. The way around this is to create new routines and structure for yourself instead. There are many ways to do this, but here are the most important tips. I recommend sticking to a regular sleep schedule with a set wake up and bedtime. Create a schedule for yourself that allows time for your classes and homework, but also regular meal times, exercise, time outside, and rest time. I recommend showering, getting dressed, and even making your bed each morning too. And rather than doing your classes from bed or the couch where you normally sleep or relax, I recommend designating a workspace for yourself in your home. If space is tight in your house and you don't have a full private room to use, that's okay. Setting up a workspace can be as simple as clearing off a desk or setting up a card table for yourself. And make an effort to use this space for all of your classes and homework. Treat going to this space every day as going to school. All of these things will help you to feel more focused and more calm and in control during this time. My second tip is manage your distractions. Doing school from home means that all the comforts and distractions of home are there to tempt us and derail our progress. It's certainly hard to choose to focus on a class or your homework when there are so many more appealing things available to you. It's also hard to focus when you might be managing family dynamics as well. Your little brother might be blaring the TV in the other room, or your dogs might be barking while you're trying to pay attention to your class. Or maybe now that you're home, your parents are expecting you to babysit younger siblings or spend your days cleaning the house. To set yourself up for better focus, let's work on managing the distractions that you can control. Maybe this means setting up your workspace far away from the game console or using some good noise-canceling headphones. You might also want to consider leaving your phone in the other room while you work. Even having it on silent in the room with you is a distracting temptation. Or maybe you need to have a discussion with your family about your needs during this time. It's okay to talk to your family about boundaries and how you need time to attend class and do your homework as usual. Your family responsibilities like chores and childcare will have to be reasonable for a full-time student. My third and final tip is to set small goals and motivators for yourself. Without your normal daily routine and in-person interactions, it can be easy to lose sight of your purpose in studying. For a lot of people, online classes feel less real and therefore less motivating to keep up with. Long days at home can also feel like they lack direction and reinforcement, which can lead to low mood and low motivation. The way around this is to set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate when you achieve them. You can set a goal for each day to give that day direction. For example, you could set a goal for how many pages of that long research paper you want to write today, or a goal for how many anatomy flashcards you want to make today. And when you meet these goals, do something to acknowledge your accomplishments and build yourself up. It will improve your motivation and your mood to go to bed at night knowing that day had purpose. I hope these tips will be helpful for you as we adjust to our new normal here. But please know if you are struggling, the Counseling Center is still here for you. The 24/7 support line is still available to Maryville students 100% of the time, and you can still consult with a counselor for resources and support. I'll include our contact information below. Stay safe and be well.